Okay, how to compare two different PARSAT. Okay, in front of you, you have a new PARSAT and an old PARSAT. The only thing you have to do is highlight the last name and first name, or you can just highlight something that identifies them, such as Social Security number or DoD number. Alright, so let's try the DoD number. Highlight, copy. So right now we're actually copying the old PARSAT. Let's compare it. Paste it. Good to go. Alright, leave a space in between for the new PARSAT. So highlight the social security number, paste, good to go. Alright, so now highlight the old, press Control, and highlight your entire data. Then Control again, and highlight the new data. Alright, now I need you to go to conditional formatting, go to duplicate values, and unique, and OK. So here's your difference. Alright, let's try a little different. Let's delete it. You can also include all your data. So let's highlight all the data on your PARSAT, which is not feasible. Let's try it. Paste. Let's fix it. Alright. Let's try the new data. Copy. Leave a space. Good to go. Alright. Highlight the old. Control. Highlight the new. Go to home. Conditional formatting. And go to duplicate values. Unique. And OK. There you go.